Atongoi Amanyiw'A Imanyisyoni Sya Yiulu kaunti ya Mombasa Nimaminenga Silikali Kwisila Muvea wa Kisomo Ilungu ya Syumwa Itatu Kuthinikia Ilovia Sya Mikovo ya Kisomo na Kethiwa Matwaiisye Miatianio Kusukumiia Muvea Uthinikie Maunyungunyisyo mo Atongoi ni Atongoi wa Amanyiw'A Imanyisyoni cha Kenya Coast Polytechnic Stanley Koech Amanyiw'A ni maweta kana aingi mo maende kunyama na angi kulasimika kutia masomo kwa kwithiwa matatonya kuungamia ndivisya fees na mawatangi maskulu. Angelina Muse nukuelezea.
Atongoi ni Stanley Koech na ula ni president wa Imanyisyo cha Kenya Coast Polytechnic mawetakana yu Amanyiw'A aingi ni malasimikite kutia masomo ni kumana na ngala manene ya ndivya skulu Imanyisyoni nene.
We are giving the government and all the stakeholders an ultimatum of 3 weeks. Failure to do so, we are going to come out. The whole country is going to come out. All students are going to come out, and this one will not be requesting anymore. It is now high time that we come out, all student leaders, we join hands, and then we come and kill this monster which is killing education in this country.
Nimaminenga na Ilungu cha Syumwa Itatu kwi Muvea wa Kisomo vanthi ya Kenya Kuthinikia vata ethiwa ni mawetakana Matwaiisye maandamano.
We are giving them only ultimatum of 3 clean weeks. They address this issue. If not, failure to do so, will be out in large numbers. We are going to show you what it means by demanding.
Funding in the Ministry of Education, I cannot say that it's just being underfunded. It's more like a planned sabotage. In our constitution, we are told that free education is our right, but they treat it as a privilege. Education was the only equalizer that was making the big man and the small man come to the table and talk.
Ingi yu Amanyiw'A ni matula muti Atongoi maki utitu kwa kukililia na kulea kuvitu ukithia mawendekethio moma ungamiwa masomo ma Imanyisyoni na colleges.
But today now when they're selling it at a price, it baffles me. The solutions that we are requesting for as student leaders is that our MPs, can you consolidate the funds? MPs have CDFs, governors have CDFs, women refs, NGAF. It's okay, they are doing good things, but it's about time we see the breakdown, not just the banners. It's about time we see the effect of the ground, not just pictures and posting banners on the social medias.
Students are dropping out. Why? They cannot upkeep themselves to stay in school. They don't have money to facilitate their stay in school, to pay for their meals and stuff. So it's actually quite hurting, and we are going to see a huge number of dropouts. Let's look about the current situation. Over 450,000 students have been allowed to proceed to university. How are they going to facilitate their university stay? University is expensive. Tuition money, rent upkeeps and others.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa Maunyungunyisyo kuma Kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.